Here's an SMC DC42. It's kind of rough. I just hung it up really. I thought it worked fine when I got it. Paid $5 for it, so I can't really say too much about it. But light works, fan works in reverse only because the reverse switch is messed up. But other than that, has not the greatest bearings, but well, you'll see. It's pretty powerful, but I can't put it in downdraft. It's stuck in updraft. It looks pretty nice, even though I'm not sure how well I like it in here. Has a bit of a wobble, but whatever. This probably won't be staying in here long, but figured I'd at least give it a test run. Bearings are kind of crappy on it, but they're low. All the speeds work perfectly fine. It's just the reverse switch needs replaced, which I could probably do that, but I'm not really wanting to mess with it right now, honestly. And off. I really like the fan. It's a shame it's messed up. I guess that's what you get when you get something for $5 at Goodwill. But, you know, whatever. It is what it is. I can probably work with it. Change out the reverse switch. Maybe that'll be the problem, and it can come back and be put back up eventually. But I really like the stencil blades. But anyway, there's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.